Meet the 2025 Zeekr 7X, a cutting-edge electric SUV that just secured an impressive 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP. In this video, we'll walk you through the highlights of its crash test performance, advanced safety tech, and what makes it one of the safest electric SUVs on the road today. Starting with adult occupant protection, the Zeekr 7X scored an excellent 91%. During the frontal offset crash test, the passenger compartment remained stable, offering solid protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and front passenger. Zeekr's data also confirmed that people of various sizes and seating positions would receive similar protection. In side impact tests, including the severe side pole impact, the 7X provided top-tier protection to all critical areas, scoring maximum points. Rear-end whiplash protection was rated as good across both front and rear seats. Next up is child occupant safety, where the 7X earned 90%. It scored full marks in crash test performance for both 6- and 10-year-old dummies. The vehicle comes with integrated ISOFIX anchors, a child presence detection system, and a switch to disable the front passenger airbag, allowing for safe use of rearward-facing child seats. All tested child restraints could be correctly installed without issue. For vulnerable road users, the Zeekr 7X scored 78%. It offers good to adequate protection in most pedestrian impact zones, though some areas like the windshield pillars were rated as poor. However, its autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system performed very well in detecting and responding to pedestrians, cyclists, and even motorcyclists. The vehicle also includes cyclist dooring prevention and AEB for reversing scenarios. Finally, the safety assist category was rated at 83%. The 7X features intelligent speed assistance, a highly responsive lane-keeping system, direct eye monitoring driver fatigue detection, and a reliable AEB system for car-to-car collisions. It also includes an advanced e-call system and multi-collision braking to reduce secondary impacts. With a robust suite of standard safety features, excellent occupant protection, and high-performing assist systems, the 2025 Zeekr 7X proves it's more than just a stylish EV, it's a leader in safety. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this breakdown helpful, and let us know in the comments, would you consider the new Zeekr 7X as your next car? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.